Alright guys, do you remember what's this start button? Start button? What do they stand for? You'll see. Okay, we're gonna have to just go back for a second. Okay, let's see, what does it say? Start. Okay, that's kinda cool. Can I give this a try? Start. Awesome! My turn. Start. Turn. Start. Start. It's saying start! I know. So I say that would be pretty cool, I know. Well, if I know what I know, guess what? I'm gonna be clicking this. Start. Okay, this button will be actually pretty cool. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's back up. Right, whoever comes to me is... I'll go. Whoever comes to us gets to win. Ready? Start. Right. Walk it up. Ready? Walk. Go up. Okay, your turn. Okay. It's our turn next. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Start. Yeah, let's go. Come on. I'm the first one who got up to there. Okay. So it's kinda cool if we have the start button. Yeah, I know, the start button is kinda cool though. I wonder. Yeah, that would be pretty cool if we could have it. Well, that would be pretty cool if I know. Well, guess what? Let's go! Right. Start. Okay, then let's go outside. That would be pretty cool.